What is going on, guys? Gang, we laid back in another video, and today we're gonna be doing a video on how to make a sampled Metro Boomin type beat. Done Metro Boomin beats before, but I want to add a little bit of something to it. I'm gonna add a sample. I'm gonna find a sample somewhere on YouTube or on the internet, and I'm gonna go ahead, put it in my beat, see if I can make a dope beat like Metro Boomin does. But if you guys like the video, leave a like. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Comment on the comment section below. I'll be section in the future. And don't forget to subscribe, of course. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications while you're at it. And yeah, man, we're gonna see what we can do. Don't forget to download my free loot kit, sonicraft.com. Go ahead and sign up. Do whatever you gotta do. And yeah, I'm gonna see you on my computer. Peace. Alright, y'all, back on my computer. And as you can already tell, I kind of started editing the loops a little bit, the sample loops. I just did a few things to it. Well, first of all, let me show you what the raw loop sounds like without any effects on it. Yeah, that's what that sounds like. Sounds kind of weird because one, I took the effects off, and two, because I pitched it all the way to 100%. So that just pitches it up an octave, or maybe two, or I don't know. It pitches it up a whole bunch of octaves, and all I did after that was slow it down with gross beat, and I don't think this one does anything. No, it doesn't do anything. So and I also EQ'd it, of course. Had to EQ it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look for maybe like a counter melody. Alright, y'all, so you know what, I decided I'm not gonna have a surrounding melody with this sample. I'm just gonna use the original sample by itself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the drums, you know what I'm saying, add the standard Metro drums. So yeah, let's get into that right now. Yeah, I'm gonna use these ones, and yeah, I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, I'm gonna make this beat kind of slow, you know what I'm saying, because the melody's kind of slow, so I'm gonna add like a nice slow rhythm to it. So now I'm just gonna add the snare because you know. Oh, let's get rid of that. Alright, so you know what? I'm gonna get rid of this part for now, but yeah, I'm liking this already. Alright, so my camera died. I don't know exactly what I missed, but just in case I didn't get to record what happened, here's what I got so far. I got my snare, got my hi-hat, got my clap too, and it sounded really, really nice. So I'm probably gonna change up the hi-hat pattern, by the way, because, you know, I never can, you know what I'm saying, have just a basic hi-hat pattern, because, you know, we gotta stay making our beats interesting, okay? Y'all hear that? I know y'all heard that. That's fire. Alright. And I'm gonna just add the kicks, man, because I just really want to hear the final product of this, because right now this beat is getting me really excited. Okay? Very, very excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the kicks. Where do I add them? Okay, I'm gonna change that snare actually. Do we do the Black Man's Dream snare? Is it too loud? Oh, guys, all right, I'm getting way too ahead of myself right now, but all right, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna finish up the hi-hat pattern, okay, and then you're guys gonna hear the full beat, and I know you guys are gonna love this one because this one, it's insane. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. The hi-hats. Oh my goodness. Taking away one hi-hat does so much to the bounce. Oh my god, hi-hats are so important. Guys, I'm not done with the hi-hats yet, but I think I made a banger by accident. I think we found ourselves a banger, y'all. I think I might upload this one, cause Chief just called and he said this is it. I'm gonna finish this up real quick. Just one moment. Okay, you guys, so I'm telling you, look, this right here is something special. Like, I might need to find me an artist to rap on this. Like, this is something special. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the what I got so far. Then I'm gonna arrange the beat because I just know it's that good, and because y'all know I never arrange the beats in videos. So I'm gonna arrange the beat. Then we're gonna be all done. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. I'm gonna show you the beat first. So here's what it sounds like. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? It's a banger. Okay, this is a certified banger. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna arrange the beat, and we're gonna see what we can do, man. This is crazy. This is a crazy beat, but yeah, let's do that now. Alright, you guys, so the masterpiece has been complete, and boy have I got a beat to show you now. As you can tell, I have arranged the entire beat, and yeah, it is all done now. Honestly, I don't know what else to say. This beat is just really good. Like, I don't know, probably one of my best beats to date. I could be exaggerating, you be the judge of that, but yeah, man, without further ado, here it is. Man, I can't even talk. I can't even describe how amazing I thought that beat was. But look, man, I guess that's the end of the video. If you guys liked the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Comment on the comment section below. Comment on videos I should do in the future. Don't forget Also, do subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video. Okay, I got bangers every day. Turn that on now. Okay, got bangers on the way. But yeah, man, I don't know what to say. That beat was tough, freaking tough, man. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate every single one of you, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.